Oh, is this a Truman Show?
I don't get it.
Wait, does it have a scene after like that?
Oh!
Oh my gosh!
No! No! The button.
Oh, they pushed the
And it's
button.
9 times. Oh my gosh, that's so creepy.
Oh, that's
Why
pretty
would the?
fun.
I get it from the guy with the
No.
and then like, and they're
Oh my
repeating his steps.
That's so weird.
Good job, Senor Wooly. You did it again.
That's so cool.
That was good. That was
It
awesome.
reminded me of that movie that's coming out. That's the 3 girls driving and they like get hit by a truck or something.